Let's uncover the 200-year cellular secret behind the world's longest living mammals.
Like, how does an 80-ton bowhead whale live 2 centuries completely cancer-free? It's wild.
The secret? A highly efficient, cold-activated repair crew deep inside their cells. Think of your metabolism like a recycling center. If it gets clogged up, everything literally slows down. When cellular junk and damaged mitochondria pile up, your energy plummets. Aging and fatigue kick in fast. So we absolutely need to trigger mitophagy. It scraps those old mitochondria to clear out the clog. Whales use the cold for flawless DNA repair, and guess what? We can trigger this too. You can hit that cellular reset button using cold exposure, HIIT workouts, and conscious breath work. Cold water and intense HIIT directly trigger autophagy. This forces your body to scrap the damaged mitochondria. Then, deep breathwork steps in. It totally supercharges your newly forming mitochondria with vital oxygen. Okay, so the cleanout is done. Now, how do we successfully rebuild our cellular power plants? To support that new mitochondrial growth, we integrate VILAVI T8 EXTRA 90%. Its SibXP Complex uses natural polyprenols and Siberian fir to fiercely protect your cellular health. These polyprenols actually convert into dolichols, which rapidly repair those damaged mitochondrial membranes. You just need a tiny 2 milliliter daily serving to fuel this whole rebuilding process. Pair that with MOBIO Plus, which is designed for incredible, holistic cellular support. So the full routine pairs cold exposure and HIIT with T8 Extra and MOBIO Plus. So, are you ready to clear that clogged recycling center and reclaim your cellular vitality?